Okay people, major news for Shiba Inu. We have some price predictions. When can we expect the price to reach 0.30 $1, 0.20 $5 and 0.101 dollar or the price of 1 cent. Also some daily news about Shiba Inu and we will do the chart analysis. Actually, we will start with that. So we are on Shiba Inu chart. What can we see right away? This is just 1 day chart and it is not showing us anything. So we are sitting at a price of 0.509162 and we are up 1.17% from the starting day price of the day 0.509065 dollars. That is about daily movement. Chart is nothing special and I can't tell you anything when I'm watching just 1 day chart. We are now watching 7 days chart. On 7 days chart we are now in the red zone and we pulled up about 50% from the lowest point, and the lowest point of this week was 0. We will pick it up just 1 second, so 0.508566 dollars as the lowest price of Shiba Inu for this week. Even lower, you can see for something, yeah, 0.5084, so that is the lowest price. We're sitting around 0.5085 dollars. That is important thing to know. Why? Because the price that we hit the lowest, and you can see the volume was the highest at that time. We probably had the selling pressure that happened there because people were scared and afraid the Shiba Inu could dump. But overall, we're seeing that that is the resistance price, 0.5085 dollars. Now we're going back to 1 month. At 1 month period of time, we can see one thing is happening 2 times. So this price that we just marked, 0.5085, was hit again over here. It was a little higher, but that is so close to not be a pattern. So that's showing that the 0.5085 dollars is a resistance price from where we're usually picking up. This moment was 8th of January when we hit that bottom for the month. Actually, this was the bottom, but okay, first bottom of the month, and that the price goes close to opening price for the month. Big resistance happening there. That is major because we hit that, but that didn't have that much of jump from that low bottom that we hit at, we will see exact date that we hit at 23rd of January. So overall, chart, even though is red, it's optimistic, and I think that the price can go higher and higher from this, and that we can expect even bigger gains to happen in the next couple of days, maybe 1 week. So this is the article number 1. Shiba Inu could surge 150% and how 635 trillion SHIB level comes to play. So what can we see over here? Dog Team Shiba Inu react to stalemate in its price action after bullish attempts to lift SHIB back over 0.401 dollar were met with resistance on many occasions. So bulls are trying to pick up the price, but they are fighting the whole market because we know everything was red in the late couple of days. Shiba Inu price continues to consolidate below this level, still unable to break above it. Coin is currently trading at 0.509 dollars. It is even higher than that, 0.50915, something around that, and was 46%. Now it's even higher, 12% up from opening price. The coin has market capitalization of 5.3 billion, ranking 18th among the top cryptocurrencies. While bulls think the next trick in the book, Shiba Inu is faced with a gigantic wall that might be triggered 150 to 200% gains if surmounted. Shiba Inu price would need to overcome this sell wall to unleash a massive rally that could take it to 0.4027 dollars, which is even 300% from this price right now, even though it says it's in about 200% increase from the current price. According to Into the Book break-even price, Shiba Inu faces a sell wall at 0.509 dollars and at 0.4027 dollars, where 635.38 trillion SHIB were bought at by actually were bought by 457,771 addresses for an average price of $0.4015. This implies that over 457,000 Shiba Inu other addresses would need Shiba Inu to increase to these aforementioned price ranges for them to break even. That's about it. We can read more of it. Overall, in the bottom part of the article, they're just mentioning that Shiba Inu has an upswing of volume and in the daily transactions. But the thing that I mentioned in the intro of this video, here is when Shiba Inu can reach 0.301, 0.205 and $0.01 as Shiba Inu starts massive SHIB burns. Shiba Inu is gradually staging a comeback following in multiple weeks of bearish trajectories. According to data from CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu has seen 2.46% gain over the last 24 hours, growing from a low of $0.5089 to high of $0.50912, and we are close to that price right now, 92, as I told you, so we are actually sitting on that price right now. Emphatically, Shiba Inu chart suggests that asset could be on track to reclaim the lost decimal point to trade in the 0.401 threshold. So what happened, and of course those price prediction. Massive Shibarium burn of Shiba Inu. Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu team has undertaken initiatives to potentially assist Shiba Inu price ascent in the coming weeks. Crypto Basics has uncovered that the initial phase of Auto Burn initiative is launching on the testnet, specifically PuppyNet. Emphatically, the inaugural stage guarantees effectiveness and reinforce dependently before migrating to the mainnet. It is great and we know implementations that are happening, but now when Shiba Inu can reach the price of, we mentioned it, 301, 205 and $0.01. Given these substantial Shiba Inu burns, Shiba investors clinch to aspiration of hitting price targets such as, we know it and we will not mention them again. The shed light of the feasibility of these projections, Crypto Basics turned to reputable sources. This includes a research report from Challengely, a renowned exchange that predicts platform. According to the Telegon, the value of Shiba Inu may surge to 0.301 by 2026, which is 2 years from now, massive upswing of the price. Meanwhile, experts at Challengely anticipated Shiba Inu will reach that milestone much later, at the year 2030. Furthermore, Telegon predicts the Shiba will require about 7 years to reach $0.005 mark. However, Challengely envisions the same target could be materialized by 2040. Yet the exchange does not foresee Shiba Inu reaching $0.01 even after 2050. On that hand, Telegon predicts such as outcome by 2041 cent mark. So imagine 2040, that is 16 years from now. So it will delete, if it hits 1 cent, it will delete 4 zeros from this price, which is massive, that is 1000x. If you invest $100, you will have $100,000. 14 years from now, 16 actually years from now, so think about it. And also Telegram is setting a lofty threshold of $1.06 at the year 2050 for Shiba Inu, so even let's see that one more time, $1.06, even higher than the 1 cent price and much higher than it. So that's about Shiba Inu. When can we expect the price to grow to that level of $0.301 2 years from now, 4 years from now, couple of months from now? Leave your thoughts and opinions on that. We checked the chart, we checked the news. We can expect big surge if we break above $0.509, which is great. We are now above that price, and if we go above it, as you can see, when we hit that price first time, it rejected and goes down, which is normal. And if we break above 0.5092 or 93, we can expect massive upsurge, that 100 to 200% swing. Leave me in the comments what you think about all of this, and thank you if you're staying till the end of this video. Of course, never forget to hit that subscribe button, because all the support is muchly appreciated. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end, and see you in the next one.